We're at Super Rigs here. Who am I speaking with?
Adam Russell.
And what's your name?
Ben Russell.
Ben Russell. Are you the driver of this truck?
Wanna be.
I bet you could drive this truck pretty good. What can you tell me about this truck?
It's a 2020 glider.
Really?
Yeah.
It looks like it's got that old school cool look to it.
Yeah.
Wow. And you haul go-go dancers and then?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
Cattle and pigs across
Cattle
the
and
Midwest.
pigs? Yeah. Wow, that keeps you busy a bit, huh? No kidding. How long you been driving trucks?
27 years.
Wow. And you still enjoying it?
Yeah.
What's the best part of trucking?
No, the best part now is whenever the kids get to go along.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You go on summer vacations? Yeah. That's cool. You gonna be a trucker when you get bigger?
Maybe.
Yeah. And how did you get into trucking?
Family,
Family?
Yeah.
Right.
grandparents.
And I hear these cow haulers, they got to keep moving.
Yeah.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Do you guys, you can do whatever you guys want, pretty
Yeah.
much?
Yeah. Pretty much whatever.
That's pretty cool. That's got to be pretty fun. You can just haul tail, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if you can say tail on the radio. Well, cool. Is this your first time at Super Rigs?
No, we've been here before.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Where are you guys out of?
Fielding, Illinois.
Fielding, Illinois.
Yep.
Well, this
North
is a
of
nice
St. Louis,
rig.
About 50 miles.
Oh, really?
Yep.
What's the cool factor on this truck?
Oh, you tell me.
I'm looking at the lights under the frame rails there. Yeah, I've never seen that before.
Yeah.
That's pretty custom.
Yeah. Yeah, we got some buddies up by Springfield, Illinois that made all that for us.
Nice, cool deck plates.
Walter Brothers.
Very classy chassis, as they say.
Yeah.
Well, cool. I wish you a lot of luck in the judging. Thanks for coming to Super Rigs.
Thank you.
All right.
Across the Mississippi line, I got a big truck raring to go. Headed down Texas way to that big Super Rigs Road Show. All the way to San Antonio, I got a horse in this race.